super excited because I have a Temu jewelry haul. Some absolutely gorgeous pieces. I gotta say, I'm kind of impressed with all these items. Some of them are pretty decent. And I would never in my life think that I can get some of these pieces for the prices that they actually were. Just dumped everything out. This is the package that it came in. It came in with an outer layer of orange, but I tore that up and threw that in the garbage. We're gonna start with the rings because I only got one set of rings. I don't even know how I did that because I usually like getting rings. So I got this. It came in a set of 4. These are so pretty. The 4-piece stackable faux pearl finger ring set. The next item I have is this chunky chain anklet. The last anklet I had I got from Shein for a couple of bucks as well. And I always wanted one that was a bit chunkier, and this actually feels really heavy. This doesn't feel like plastic. This feels like metal. This is super heavy. Now let's get into earrings. Hands down, these are my favorite. These are the 18 karat gold plated laser pattern earrings. And look how the light just bounces off of these so nicely. And look at the detail on this. So pretty. This next set I got is the chunky golden elegant copper 18 karat gold plated earrings. Again, the weight on these are really super heavy. And just to have some fun earrings in with the elegant mix, I picked up these simple geometric Bohemian spiral earrings, and I thought these were so much fun. This next set is another very elegant set that you can wear with anything. And again, these are very heavy, so I feel like the quality on these are really good. They're the chunky 18 karat gold plated huggy hoop earrings. And it's just your simple, elegant set that you can't go wrong. The last set of earrings I got was in a pack of 6, and it's this entire pack. Each one of these pairs of earrings can literally go with every single outfit you have. You have classic earrings, you have fun geometric square earrings, you have a classic huggy hoop here that's a little bigger. You have this really beautiful spiral earring, a pearl earring, and then a spiral hoop earring, which is not too big or not too small. So these I can literally pair with everything. Now let's move on to bracelets. This one is called Sparkling Love. It's a double layered stainless steel chain bracelet with a heart pendant, and as you can see it has 2 different chains on it to give a little bit of extra detailing, and I think that's really pretty. This next set is called the Gorgeous Cutout Open Bracelet Set, and it comes with 5 pieces. So you get chain link bracelet, elongated chain, you get this beaded bracelet, and this is really cute because the clasp is actually like a lifesaver, and that's where it opens up. Chain link bracelet that has a lock on it, and you get this open face bangle. So this is one of my favorite ones. It's the 2-piece flat snake chain diamond U-shaped buckle set bracelet. So it comes with this really flat bracelet. I love how thin that is. I always love that type of detail. And it also comes with this U-shaped bracelet, which every single link is a U. And what's really pretty about this is the link that's in the very center. It has these little crystals in it that are so pretty. Then I got a really simple bracelet, twisted alloy open bangle. And it's just really simple and pretty, and I feel like you can pair this with a lot of the other bracelet sets. Now this one is one of my favorite ones as well. It's a double layer chain bracelet, and I just really love how this one looks. I love all the detail in it. It's just so pretty to me. And then when you look at the clasp, this little design on it, it's like a checkered pattern on it. I don't know if you can see that, but that part is so gorgeous, and I just really love the detail in this bracelet. And I also picked up this super dainty bracelet, another one of my favorites, because it's not just your typical chain bracelet. It's 18 karat gold plated copper, and instead of it being your regular chain bracelet, it's rounded. Look at the detail of that. The way the light hits it and it sparkles, just giving you all the girly vibes. It's just so pretty, and I just love that it's a little different than your normal bracelet. Now I don't remember picking up this set, but I'm glad I did because it came with some really cool bracelets in it. So first of all, you get this expandable bracelet, which is really pretty. And it also comes with one of those flat bracelets that I really love, as well as oval chain bracelet. And the three of these together are absolutely stunning. The last bracelet set I got is a chunky chain multi-layer bracelet. So the first piece in the set is this pearl and chain combination. It also comes with this really gorgeous beaded bracelet that has a knot detail. And the last piece it comes with is a standard chain link, but it's a little bit bigger, so it really works well with what we already have going on. And last but not least, we have the necklaces. First off, we have this really pretty double layered hexagram moon necklace. I just think that's so simple and so elegant, and it's such a fun necklace. So unlike how that set was already hooked together, this next set I have has 4 separate necklaces in them, so you can totally wear them by themselves, or you can pair them all together to make this really cool multi-layered look. So first you get this really fun vintage looking chain, and you would pair that with this thicker chain link. Then you would layer this elongated chain as well as this beautiful pendant, and I think that is so pretty. It has like a little twist in it, so pretty. So you would put all of those together or wear them all separately. The next piece I have is your classic herringbone necklace. You already know how much I love these because I have 2 of them in the bracelets. I just absolutely love this. I feel like you can wear this with anything, and it just makes the style that much more classic. And then we have this beautiful large hollow chain necklace. It has a little bit of a pearl stone on the inside. So beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. And like I said, it's the detail. So this could have been a regular chain all the way down, but that little bit of detail of the hollow necklace just gives it something else. Okay guys, so here's the deal with Temu. Make sure you download the app because everything on the app is essentially $20 and less. Every single thing is literally just like Amazon, but the prices are insane. It has fast shipping. I ordered these items and got them probably in about 5 days. There's free shipping. If I need to return anything, there's free returns. You can literally shop hundreds and hundreds of items for under $5. Every single thing I got in this haul was under $5. I think they were actually under $4. Yes. I don't think I paid more than $3 and change for every single thing on this item individually. You're not gonna find any better deals for items like this from anywhere else. Go ahead and download the Temu app. Use my code that I'm gonna link below in the description box. I'm also gonna put it on the screen. That way you can save an extra 50% at checkout when you use the app. Thank you so much for watching my Temu haul, and please make sure that if you like any of these items that you shop in my description box, because I put a link to every single item there with all the prices to make it easier for you. Make sure you also like this video and subscribe so I can bring you more hauls just like this one.
Zoe, I don't need your little hand in my video.
My with this.
Nancy.